Hey girl, period. If you're new here, my name is Misalaraine. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a post from me. In today's video, I will be installing this hair from UNice hair. If you're interested in this install, please keep watching. Alright, so this wig is a 26-inch 180% density. I don't know if it's 180 or 200, but a thick wig. It's a lot of hair and it's long. The color is 99J and this is a 13x4. I plucked and bleached the knots off camera. And if you saw before when I was showing you guys the wig, I forgot to put makeup on the wig cap. So don't mind if it looks crazy when I put the glue on and start applying the lace to it. It's going to melt all together once I put the melt band on, but right now I am going to be applying the HD lace glue. I talked about it in a couple other videos. I really like this glue. I learned how to work with it and apply it properly, but I'm just going to be applying the glue all 3 sections and then blow drying it and then applying the lace, and I will come back when it's time to cut the lace. So now I'm cutting off the extra lace to make it easier for me to cut, and I'm using some small scissors. I think they're called nail scissors, but I'm going to be going in a zigzag motion so that it's not like a blunt cut to the lace. Now I'm gonna start fixing my middle part with my Remi Wax Stick and my hot comb on high, and I also sprayed some sheen to make it extra flat. I left the melt pen on for like 10 minutes and then started cutting my baby hairs. I sped this part up a little faster because I'm gonna be styling the hair with my crimp iron. And then I'll be swooping my baby hairs after I finish that. I'm gonna come back on here for the final look. Okay, so we're almost at the end of the video. I just had to say a couple more things about this wig. I give it a 10 out of 10 because even with no makeup underneath, it still melted perfectly and the crimp stayed in the hair for days with no touch-ups. So if you are interested in purchasing this wig, the link is below. And this is the end of the install. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media. Everything is linked in the description box, as well as everything I used today. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Keep on feeling, but you can't break my broken heart.